In this video, I will show you how you can skip the trial and the annoying payment message in the Internet Download Manager, or IDM. First of all, you need to do is just nothing but uninstall your old IDM or your crack IDM from your PC. After uninstalling the old or crack IDM, you need to hit Windows button to search. First, search for Run. After opening this, you need to type here regedit. That is what I'm showing now. After opening the register editor, please follow my video to complete your query. Sir, don't worry, this is not bad work. If you are able to buy an Internet Download Manager, then buy it. But please don't use the crack IDM that harms your computer. I'm showing this to students and those who are not able to buy. Just delete this file and restart your computer. Hooray! Your IDM has been again on fire. Hey, thanks for watching this amazing video. Please make sure that your friend knows this trick. If he or she did not, then you might be a hero by giving this video to him or her. Again, make sure this is an educational video, not to encourage anyone that this is a must-doing or something.